Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. OPPO and its Reno series is known to offer a good balance of specs while keeping the price in the mid-range category and keeps a design that you will be proud to show off. In this video, I will do unboxing of its new mid-range smartphone, Reno6Z 5G. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This is stellar black color, 128GB 8GB ROM variant. Let's unbox it. You get a 30-watt fast charger, USB-A to Type-C cable, a standard earphones, a standard protective case, a mandatory SIM ejection tool, and quick and safety guide. So that's all what you get inside the box. Let's see the smartphone itself and boot it up for the first time. You can see some of the main highlights on the plastic wrapping itself. In terms of design, it's a great looking smartphone. I personally like this matte finish as it avoids fingerprints. And also the color is slightly different than the usual black. Back is made out of plastic and has round edges. I'm really impressed with the design considering its price. On the left side, it has volume rockers and SIM tray. Good to see you can use two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time on this smartphone. On the top, you have secondary microphone. On the right side, there is a power button. At the bottom, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port and single speaker. From the front side, there is a small camera cutout for the selfie camera. Setup is finished. Now let's talk about its display. It has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Because of the AMOLED screen, colors are punchier and you get a deeper blacks. Quality of display is great for watching videos and playing games. You also get in-display fingerprint scanner and the speed is okay. It's not very fast, it takes a second or two to unlock, but it's reliable. The face unlock on the other hand was slightly more quicker. It's running Android 11 with ColorOS version 11.1 right out of the box. The smartphone does not have stereo speakers but a single speaker. Now let's take a listen to the sound quality of this smartphone. In terms of processor, it has a Dimensity 800 processor. It's a decent mid-range processor and you will have no problems playing games on this smartphone. But don't expect a powerhouse flagship performance from this smartphone. In terms of the cameras, on the rear it has a 64MP main camera, 8MP wide and 2MP macro camera. On the front it has a 32MP selfie camera. I must say the quality of photos in daytime are really impressive. The colors looks great and the photos look alive. It has a great camera for the budget price. This is video recording from OPPO Reno6Z in 4K. Let me know in the comments below how do you find the video quality and also the stabilization. The quality of the video is slightly shaky and not so stable in 4K. This is video recording from OPPO Reno6Z in 1080p. tallest building in the world. Let me know in the comments below how do you find the video quality and also the stabilization. And last, powering this phone is 4310 mAh battery, which will easily last one full day of heavy use with 5G connectivity. Also 30 watt fast charging is a bonus. With OPPO Reno6Z, OPPO is targeting the features which matters the most to the users and giving a value for money smartphone. I would definitely recommend the smartphones to my audience and all the viewers. But more importantly, what do you guys think about this smartphone? Kindly share your thoughts in the comments below. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.